Hey friends, I want to give some shout outs to this Boveda starter kit for my acoustic guitar. Now I've got a Martin guitar, and what I've noticed is when I use these two-way humidity control packets, things really stay nice here in super dry Colorado. Now, the way these work is it basically has a little sleeve that's in these starter kits, and inside the sleeve you're going to find two little gel pouches. Now, with the two gel packs in either side of this little pouch, you can place things here on your strings is what they recommend, or place them underneath the neck over here. What I have used in the past are these things like these Oasis humidifier. And what I find is that after about a week or so, you can see it actually just gets completely dried out. And then what happens is my guitar gets severely out of tune. In fact, last year I had this crack in a major way and had to get it repaired. So it's super important to have humidity control here in Colorado because things are so dry. What I've noticed is as I've been using these, my strings will stay in tune, even if I haven't touched my guitar for like 2 weeks. There may be some minor adjustments that are needed, but this really has kept things. So definitely a big thumbs up from me. Thanks to Boveda for making a really great product and helping me keep my guitar nice and humidity controlled like it should be. Thumbs up. You can check out these right here on Amazon.